Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how you can snooze a pinned conversation for one whole week on the X app. Whether you're getting too many notifications from a certain chat, or you just need some quiet time, this method will help you keep things under control without permanently muting anything. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once inside, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll see a row of icons. Tap on the message icon to open up your conversations. This will take you straight to your inbox where every chat, including pinned ones, is neatly organized. Now find the pinned conversation you want to snooze. It will usually appear right at the top, since pinned chats always stay in place for easy access. To move forward, simply press and hold on that pinned chat. Keep your finger there until a small menu of options appears. From the menu, you'll see an option labeled Snooze Notifications. Tap on this choice. The app will then ask you how long you'd like to snooze the notifications for. You'll get different time choices, but in this case, select 1 week. By doing that, you've successfully silenced notifications from that specific conversation, but only for the time period you chose. The beauty of this feature is that the conversation will stay pinned, so you can still open and check it whenever you want. You're not unpinning or archiving it, just stopping the alerts. Once the week is over, notifications will return automatically, so you don't have to remember to turn them back on manually. This small feature is incredibly useful for managing busy chats. Maybe you're part of a large group conversation, or someone keeps sending frequent updates. You can now take a break while still keeping the chat visible at the top for when you're ready to check back in. And that's it. You've just learned how to snooze a pinned conversation for 1 week on the X app.